Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the various shortcuts about Tally ERP9. Certain shortcuts are already discussed in our previous video. We are discussing here the remaining shortcuts of Tally ERP9. Let us start with the discussion. First shortcut is for the purpose of sales order creation. For the purpose of sales order creation, you must have to activate the order creation as a yes. So I am going to the F11 features. From here I am selecting the inventory features. Here order processing for purchase order as well as the sales order must be pressed yes. So I have already pressed yes. Now suppose I am making the entry for my sales voucher. This is my sales voucher creation window, and suppose I want to go to my order creation window, then just press Ctrl plus F2. As and when I press Ctrl plus F2, you will find that from my sales voucher creation window, the sales order voucher creation window will appear. Now from here, suppose I want to go to the purchase order creation window, then just press Alt plus F4 or just select purchase order from here. Your purchase order window will open. Next, suppose you want to mail the report to anyone, then just press Alt plus M. Alt plus M is a shortcut for the purpose of mailing a certain report from your Tally ERP9. Next, suppose you want to see certain reports in a columnar format. Same for example, I want to see my profit and loss account for my quarterly. Then just press Alt plus N and select quarterly. You will find this is first quarter, second, third and fourth quarter profit and loss account. Suppose I am pressing again Alt plus N and I am selecting fortnightly. You will find my 15 days P&L account will appear. In this way you can see the various report in a columnar format. So the Alt plus N is the shortcut to show the report in a automatic columnar format. Next, you can also see the columnar format by pressing Alt plus C. Here you have to select the period 1/4/2018 to 31/3/2019 and just press. Here you will find also that this is my 1920 PNL, this is my 1819 PNL. So in this way you can also compare. If the second company is open, then you can also compare the PNL account of one company with the another company by pressing Alt plus C. So there is a two shortcut, Alt plus N as well as the Alt plus C. Both are working differently for the purpose of columnar report. Next is the shortcut for calculator. Just press Ctrl plus N. Your calculator window will appear here. So I am pressing Ctrl plus N. My calculator is coming here. If I am pressing escape button from my keyboard or Ctrl plus M from my keyboard, calculator is off. So in this way you can use the calculator by pressing Ctrl plus N, and you can close the calculator by pressing Ctrl plus M or escape button from your keyboard. Next, suppose if you are making any entry for your payment transaction or any other transaction and here you want to make some calculation, then just press Alt plus C. Again when you press Alt plus C, calculator will open. Here you can make the calculation, and again when you press enter, the total amount or the resulted amount will coming up here. So in this way you can use the Alt C for the purpose of calculator. Now one more thing, here in the calculator tab, if you write the name of any of your ledger and you just press enter, it will show you the closing balance of a particular ledger. Now I will show you my cash ledger balance. This is my cash ledger balance 42,365. I am here writing CASH cash. You will find that 42,365. So in this way the calculator is also used to find the closing balance of your particular ledger. Next, copy. if you want to copy anything from your Tally ERP9, just press Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Same for example, I want to copy this case, just press Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Here I am pressing Ctrl plus V, you will find that the copied item will be pasted. Now suppose I want to copy from here, just press Ctrl plus C, because Ctrl plus C is the shortcut to copy from MS Office. However, if you want to paste in your Tally, then shortcut will be Ctrl plus Alt plus V. So suppose I am pressing here Ctrl plus Alt plus V, you will find that whatever I have copied from my MS Word will paste here. So Ctrl plus Alt plus C is the shortcut to copy from Tally, and Ctrl plus Alt plus V is the shortcut to paste in a Tally. Next, suppose if you want to delete any entry, then Alt plus D is the shortcut to delete the entry. Suppose I want to delete my municipal tax entry, then just press Alt plus D and just press enter. Your entry will be deleted. Suppose if you want to select all the entry, press Ctrl plus spacebar and just select Alt plus D. It will ask whether you want to delete selected. If you press yes or press enter, your all entry will be deleted. Next, repeat narration shortcut, Ctrl plus R. Suppose I am making any entry for my receipt transaction, here I am writing subsidy received. Suppose I am making again the entry for my receipt transaction, and suppose I am pressing here Ctrl plus R, you will find that the same narration will again come which I have entered last in my receipt voucher. So Ctrl plus R is the use to repeat the narration in the same voucher. So if you have entered any narration in your previous voucher and you are pressing Ctrl plus R, the same narration will coming up here. Now next is Alt plus R shortcut to repeat the narration. Suppose I am making the entry for my journal voucher. This is my CGST 10 and I am crediting my IGST 10. Here I am writing adjustment. Now here I have entered my CGST ledger as a first. I have made entry CGST account debit to IGST account. As and when I make another entry for my CGST ledger, and I am pressing just Alt plus R, you will find that the same narration which I have entered in my previous entry of CGST ledger will appear here. However, Alt plus R shortcut will work for your first ledger. Means in the previous entry, my first ledger of the entry will be CGST. So Alt plus R will be work for my first ledger only. So Ctrl plus R and Alt plus R is used to repeat narration in your Tally ERP9 in a different manner. Next, suppose if you want to alter any ledger while doing entry, or suppose if you are viewing any report, same for example I am viewing the P&L report and I want to change my advertisement expense ledger, just press Ctrl plus enter. Just press Ctrl plus enter. Your ledger alteration window will open. Suppose I want to change my this ledger, just press Ctrl plus enter. Ledger alteration window will appear. Here you can change anything and save. Suppose if you want to save anything in your Tally ERP9, suppose I want to see change this and I just want to save, then I have to press enter till the end. Instead of pressing enter till the end, just press Control plus A. So Control plus A is the shortcut to save anything in your Tally ERP9. Same for example, I am altering this entry. I just alter 100 rupees and I am pressing Control plus A. So my entry will be saved. So in this way, Control plus A is used to save anything in your Tally ERP9. Suppose you want to do the duplicate entry for your particular voucher, then just press Alter plus 2. So I am pressing just Alter plus 2. Again when I press Alter plus 2, you will find that accounting voucher creation duplication is appear. So in this way you can create a duplicate entry. Here you can change and also save your entry. So Alter plus 2 is useful for the purpose of making the duplicate entry in your Tally ERP9. So this is the video for a various shortcuts in your Tally ERP9. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel Knowledge Ki Pathshala Learning with CA. I am also requesting that if you like our video, then please share to your friends as well as your colleagues. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.